Top 3 e-commerce platforms that can help you make money online. Making money is an important part of our lives, and we keep trying to increase our income through suspectable ways. Over time, it has become quite easy to earn money if you use the right ways. One such profitable and effective way to make money online is through an e-commerce platform. But selecting the perfect e-commerce platform can be an arduous challenge sometimes for any business operating online. Even though creating an e-commerce website is relatively easy, if started with an improper e-commerce platform, your business might soon face trouble. So in today's video, we'll help you find the best e-commerce platforms of this year to help you take your business to new heights. Keep watching till the end to note all of them down. Hi! I hope you have a great time here at Lunch to Freedom. If you want to understand the ins and outs of making money online regularly from the comfort of your house, this channel is for you. First thing first, you'll be pleased to know that those who stick around until the end of the video will be eligible for a giveaway prize. After watching the video, leave a comment on this page to be nominated to win a reward. Click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell to get alerts. To claim your reward, just send an email from the same Gmail account you used to leave a comment on the video to lunchtofreedom@gmail.com. Let's get going then. 3. Ecommerce. On number 3 of our list, we have Ecommerce. It is a NASDAQ-listed or registered e-commerce platform that offers its retailer software as a service or SaaS services. The company's platform encompasses online shop creation, search engine optimizations, and hosting. It also provides security and marketing features regardless of whether the business is small or enterprise-sized. Presently, the popular e-commerce platform operates about 60,000 stores, yielding sales of billions of dollars. This is one of the best e-commerce platforms and is worth your notice. If you are wondering why we are telling you this, let us tell you about its features. First, Big e-commerce doesn't charge or reprimand any transaction fees from its users. There's just only a credit card fee that the users has to send to the payment provider, similar to other e-commerce platforms. Because of the complexity of built-in, or let's say default features of the platform, the preliminary understanding curve is greater than other such service platforms. Nonetheless, it is still feasible for a fresh brand to understand and utilize the platform promptly because of all the in-depth directing documents along with the helpful customer care team of Ecommerce. Ecommerce Essentials provides the user with 15 days to use the platform for absolutely free. In the meantime, if the user has a huge business and is impressed by Ecommerce Enterprise, they can fill out an assign form, after which they will be contacted for a tariff or custom solution. It has naturally gained so much popularity among growing or big brands because of its flexible and powerful key features that make it stand out of the box, such as it helps you trace the user's business performance without the help of any third-party integrations. Ecommerce procures a robust set of components to support various kinds of business, in comparison to the e-commerce platforms, which gives the user only basic analytic tools with their entry-level plan. If they want to opt for more progressive analytics, they have to select a costly subscription plan. Ecommerce delivers professional and experienced reporting on all its plans. The open platform allows the users to customize very easily, has efficient built-in features, responsive page and shopping templates, intricate record and order management supporting ideal and non-ideal third-party payments, entails industry-leading APIs, great analytics and SEO features, product filtering, relaxed payment, corporate account administration. 2. Pixpa. On number 2 of our list, we have Pixpa. An all-in-one website creator, Pixpa comes with a goal to exploit e-commerce tools specifically developed for the requirements of business holders to retail their services, products, or digital content and expand their online business. The e-commerce platform has a user-friendly interface that is especially helpful for beginners. Pixpa also has a broad spectrum of mobile-friendly and responsible templates that people can use. Furthermore, it enables the users to create, retain, and organize a comprehensive, competent e-commerce website. The no-code authorizes you to establish a full-featured, skilled website without using a single line of code. The pricing is affordable and the e-commerce plans start at just $7 per month. If you are skeptical about any hidden costs, then we assure you that there are no hidden costs. The comprehensive online store creator has progressive attributes like renowned cart retrieval, discount management, record surveillance, and much more. Moreover, selling products and services or digital downloads can be done in a single spot. This is why it is suitable for creative field businesses, artists, photographers, and creative specialists searching for business management and e-commerce tools. PixSpa also proves to be the perfect client-proofing platform and provides alternatives for marketing, photographic, and artistic prints. The SEO manager of PixSpa allows the users to generate automatic sitemaps, set metadata, and robot.txt. It also helps to approximately optimize the e-commerce website of the user. 1. Shopify. On number 1 of our list, we have Shopify. It is one of the leading and most prominent e-commerce platforms in the world, and for all the right reasons. According to statistics, there are about 4 million e-commerce websites utilizing Shopify. This is mainly because the platform is very adaptable and can support or substantiate almost any type of business, whether it's B2B or B2C, or if it's offline or online, beginning from large enterprises or side hustle stores. Shopify has a lot of features that make it stand out among other platforms. It has an extensive collection of tools and elements encompassing all facets of running a business, starting from prepping an online store to selling multi-channel, shipping, fulfillment, and payment processing. The brilliant e-commerce platform has it all packed. But this is not it. In addition to all this, it also offers marketing automation and order management to assist merchants requiring funding. The Shopify team even created a program titled Shopify Capital to help them find funds more easily and promptly. Let us discuss some key features and tools of Shopify. To begin with, all Shopify tools that assist users in launching and operating their businesses are free. Next, the drag-and-drop website creator of the e-commerce platform creates an online store in moments without the help of a line of code. Through the multi-channel selling features of Shopify, the user can retail both offline and online, including marketplaces and social media. The POS system allows the users to supervise retailing in person and operate their brick-and-mortar shops. The shipping procedure of the app is quite fast-forwarded, and the user can get up to a whopping 88% discounted prices from DHL, USPS, and UPS. Finally, the Shopify market allows you to easily retail internationally through a single store. Shopify Fulfillment enables the user to skip fulfillment to concentrate on expanding their business. In addition, it does not charge any storage fees if products are retailed within the durations of 6 months. Shopify Payments authorizes more than 100 payment gateways, and there's a catch. It does this with no transaction fees. The Shopify balance acts like a streamlined substitute for the conventional bank account. Only the user can get paid faster and even earn cashback by spending on developing their business. The Shopify Flow helps to formulate workflows to automate the user's store and becomes even more incredibly helpful on shopping holidays. Thank you for visiting our channel. Like and subscribe if you are interested in discovering fresh internet income opportunities daily. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts by commenting below. Everyone who likes, subscribes, click the bell icon, and leaves a comment below our video will get a free copy of our financial blueprint book. To pass the time till then, check out some of our other videos. Many thanks to everybody who has watched.